Hello everyone, Ollie the Repair is here again. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to use checkra1nRG on Windows machine to jailbreak passcode disabled device via Tsunami USB. Please note, checkra1nRG support up to iOS 14.3 for up to A9 devices and iOS 13 to 12 on all other devices. Shout out to Storm developers for that amazing Tsunami USB. No more manually adding the checkra1nRG into Rain USB via Transmac and just one command to enter checkra1nRG. More on that later. You will need 8 GB USB drive and above for that. First, download this image. I'll be giving the link in the description below, not to worry. I already downloaded this image. So the next step is to install Banana Etcher. I already installed Banana Etcher and I'll be using it to write the image into the USB. Open Banana Etcher. Click Flash from File. Then go to the Downloads folder. Select Tsunami USB Intel.dmg. Click Select Target. Select my USB drive. Click on Select and click Flash. Allow it to flash to the USB stick. Allow it to validate to ensure the image is written to the USB drive correctly. Once the flash is complete, you can now use the USB drive to boot into Tsunami USB to run checkra1nRG on it. I'll be using the USB stick I just flashed on another laptop for the video. As you can see right now, I am on my another laptop, which is my main laptop, which can boot to Tsunami USB. Please note that not all computers and laptops are compatible with Tsunami USB. Before you conclude that your computer or your laptop is not compatible with Tsunami USB, please change the BIOS settings. I'll be giving the BIOS settings in the description below. Since this computer can boot to Tsunami USB just fine without me changing the BIOS settings that is needed for Rain USB, let's boot up to Tsunami USB. Turn on the computer. Keep pressing the ESC button on my computer. Select UEFI storage. UEFI Sony storage media 0.10 blah blah blah. Then boot Mac OS install from Tsunami. Allow it to boot. And do not forget your external mouse for laptop just in case the trackpad doesn't work on Tsunami USB. Alright, right now on the Tsunami activators thingy, click continue, go to utilities, terminal. Now for the terminal command part, which is one command only, just RG and press enter. And you have checkra1nRG. As you can see, I got an iPhone 6 on the passcode screen. With this USB accessory pop-up, unlock iPhone to use accessory, I can show you that it will pop up again when I connect the USB cable. See? Now disconnect the iPhone, power off the iPhone, then put it to recovery mode. Press and hold the home button, connect the USB cable, and boom, recovery mode. Just follow the jailbreak procedure. Allow it to jailbreak. And all done. The device is now jailbroken on passcode disabled, which is my iPhone 6, and is now connected to the computer. You can now do whatever things you need on passcode disabled, such as backing up your activation files, FMI off on iOS 13 up to iOS 14.3. On Windows, I really hope that you enjoy my tutorial video. Please like, share and comment on my video, subscribe to my channel, and please do donate. The link to donate is in the description below, and see you in the next video.